Hey, if your Vizio TV is flickering, don't panic. Seriously, this is way more common than you'd think. I've seen people ready to toss their TV, when most times it's fixable at home, no special tools or tech wizardry required. So, let's walk through the easiest to trickiest ways to kick that flicker for good. First up, the classic power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall. Now, find the physical power button on your Vizio, yeah, the one actually on the TV, not the remote, and hold it down for 15 seconds. This drains the leftover power that can cause weird glitches. Leave your TV unplugged for about half an hour. Plug it back in, power up, and check if the flicker's gone. It's wild how often this simple move does the trick. Still flickering? No sweat. Grab your remote, hit Menu, head to Picture, then More, and reset your picture mode to factory defaults. If that's a no-go, try dialing down the brightness, adjusting contrast, or tweaking the backlight. Lower brightness in particular can make a huge difference. And don't forget to turn off the ambient light sensor, it's notorious for causing weird brightness jumps that look like flickering. Gamers, listen up. If flickering happens mostly while gaming, check out the clear action feature in game mode. It can freak out with some consoles. Go to Menu, Picture, More Picture, and turn clear action off. Trust me, this fixes flickering for tons of Xbox and PlayStation folks, but what if the problem's tied to your cables? Unplug all HDMI and signal cables. If the flicker stops while the menus are up, reconnect one cable at a time until you find the culprit. If you use HDR, make sure you're using HDMI 2.0 cables. Older ones can't keep up and might cause flicker. Firmware's another sneaky troublemaker. Check for updates in the system menu. Remember, Vizio only installs updates when it's plugged in but turned off, so don't leave your TV on 24/7. If nothing's worked so far, a factory reset is your last software stop. Menu, System, Reset, Factory Reset. No remote? Hold volume down and input on the TV till you see a message, then hold input for 10 seconds. If the flickering's everywhere, it might be an internal board or cable. Unplug the TV, pop off the back, and gently disconnect, clean, and reseat the LVDS cable on the T-Con board. Look for burn marks or bulging capacitors. They're signs a board needs swapping out. Flicker only in one spot? That's probably a backlight strip. If you're handy, swap them all out at once for even brightness. If this guide helped, awesome. You're ahead of most folks who would have pitched their TV way too soon.